What is good, YouTube? Back in to make some my favorite oatmeal. We're gonna put this fluid ounces. We're gonna put this is the best type of milk. Best type of milk. It's vanilla flavor too. And it's really good. Alright, we're trying to get 8 ounces. Alright, I'll put in 9 ounces, I guess. Fuck. 9 ounces. See, sometimes, I'm not gonna put the milk back inside, that'd be weird. Alright. Now we're gonna put the banana. Alright, I already measured this stuff out, so don't gotta worry about that. I'll put mine in pieces. Alright, sometimes. This is what makes the flavor come out of this type of oatmeal. You want to cook it up with the banana. Cook it out. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna break it apart. Yep. Now you want to add what type of protein, what type of oatmeal you want to use. I'm using Kodiak cakes, whatever it's called, because it's a lot more protein, but it's a lot more calories, so put it in. And I'm gonna add in salt and cinnamon, and I'll put that on the stove. You can put salt and cinnamon right now. So now we have the cinnamon, you have this, all that. Look at that. Kind of like mine this way though. I would actually eat it like this, all gooey and shit. But we're not gonna do this for this video because people don't eat gooey oatmeal.
I think that I've been dead since the start. I'm having too much inside my heart, but I don't even care no more. I'm gonna dance till I end up on the floor. Yeah.
You know what? Fuck it. I just want to eat it this way. I kind of like it. It's more volume. Alright, more volume. Y'all could wait a little longer and make it the way you want to make it, but I like it this way. Look at that. I like it all slimy like that. It's like cereal almost. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put the rest in here. Tastes so good. And whatever else you want to add, you can add. But this is how I eat my oatmeal. All gooey. Almost like cereal again. So, I am not going to take a first bite because see how hot this shit is? You can see the fucking smoke coming out. But, you all know, it's good. So, try it out. Okay, I'll take a bite. It's good. It's really good. So yeah, it's your boy, Friendly Neighborhood Nova, aka Mihad, signing out. Peace.
Oh well, whatever happens, happens.